If your phone still needs a USB cable to mirror the screen, you're living in the past. Unlock the wireless future with Scrcpy. No more tangled cords. Here's the easy way. First things first, grab your Android and enable USB debugging. Head to Settings, tap About Phone, and hit build number 7 times until you're officially a developer. Now, in Developer Options, switch on USB debugging. Plug your phone into your computer with a USB cable, just this once. On your computer, open a terminal and type ADB TCP 5555. That's it. Disconnect your phone, no more cables needed. Next, make sure both your phone and computer are on the same Wi-Fi. Find your phone's IP address in Settings, write it down. In your terminal, type ADB connect Europe 5555. Replace Europe with your phone's address. Now, launch Scrcpy. You'll see your phone screen, wireless and free. Remember, if you reboot your phone, you'll need to repeat the USB part once. Easy, right? Enjoy your tangle-free screen mirroring.